And today we have for you the Ava Maria Lionheart by AJ Fernandez. The wrapper is sun grown. It originates in Nicaragua. It is a Chancellor Gordo. The filler is Brazilian, Mexican, and Nicaragua. And the binder's from Nicaragua as well. But I'll let Billy tell you about the rest of it. Take it away, old man.
And thank you, Billy, for that. I really appreciate it. Let's take a look at the cigar. It's a good looking cigar. It's a Chancellor, which is a Gordo, 5.9 by 60. Really nicely done. Nice, almost coffee with a little cream appearance. That looks like a double cap to me. But let's get right into it. Let's get the cold draw going. And today I'm going to actually use a hole punch. I've been into hole punches lately. Don't know why. Here, let's go ahead and get this going. Now, the way you want to do it, you're going to try to get it in the center as possible with slight pressure. You're going to twist and push in at the same time. See, I'm doing that twist and pushing at the same time. Don't try to shove it in there. Take your time. Just twist, twist, push a little, twist, 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 push, 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 and you'll see it'll give. You don't have to force it. It'll give. There. See? There. There's the plug. There's the hole. And here's the plug. Get it out. There's your plug. Let's do a cold draw on this. Now, as Billy said earlier, AJ Hernandez makes these, and he's brilliant when it comes to mixing different tobaccos for different regions and different countries. I think he's one of the best. Hmm. Okay. I'm getting a little bit of chocolate on that. Not a lot of sweetness. A little wood, perhaps a cedar. It's all fragrant, but that cocoa is really there with a little bit of cedar. Maybe because it's the filler's Brazilian, Mexican, and from Nicaragua as well. Kind of makes things interesting. And just to elaborate a little bit, the information I got was from Cigar International, and here are the sizes this comes in. You got a Bishop, which is a Belicoso. That's a 5.7 by 56. The thing about this I like is you get 24 in a box of cigars, and that'll run you about $165, and that's with a 10% discount from Chicago Cigar International. Chancellor, which is what I have, which is a Gordo, which is a 5.9 by 60. You get 24 of those for $165, which is not bad. Then you have the Earl, which is the Robusto, which is a 5.5 by 54. You get 24 of those for $155. Fantastic bargain. Okay, let's light this up. See what we get. Now, what I'm doing, I always like to show you, is I'm toasting the foot. This is how I like my cigar. I toast the foot lightly. See there. Just want to get it going, wake it up, let them know it's time to play. See, I'm lightly toasting that. See how far away the flame is. Okay. Now, I'm gonna blow on it. You should see a red glow. Now, generally, what I like to do is I like to finish off with a match. Oh, one thing for you new guys, I see people doing it and it makes me cringe. Never. Well, I never. Hopefully you won't either. Point this towards you when you light a cigar. Especially if you're using somebody else's lighter. You don't know how high they have it set. Whoosh, fingers burned. Could be worse. If you're a woman, could be hair. I don't know. That's why I always do that, not this. I never point it towards myself. Even when I light with a match, which now I used to light with a wooden match, but bought me a couple of these from Amazon, and they come in different colors. So this is my match now. Now, see how far away I am from the flame. Perfect. You just want the heat to kind of get it really going. Let's see what we got on this. Ooh, very flavorful. I'm getting a bit of spice on it. It's prevalent, but not overpower. It doesn't. It's not overbearing or anything like that. It's a really nice spice. I'm getting a sweetness on the end, which is a natural sweetness. I don't know how to. It's a natural sweetness, not like a sugary. It's something like you find in a maybe a fruit or something like that. It's a really natural type of sweetness. See, great ash, good smoke, smoking very well. Hole is perfect because you should have some smoke coming out of that. It means you get a good airflow. This is going to be pretty good. What I'm going to do is I'm going to smoke about a third or so, and I'll be back with a suggestion as far as what I want to drink with this, okay? You come on back too. And we are back. Let me tell you, this was something else. It being the full strength, it wasn't overbearing. It wasn't difficult to smoke. It was very, very smooth. And the cedar, it got really spicy, but it wasn't too spicy. It was just perfect spice. And it had that little hint of sweetness and cedar. Well done. Well done. Now, what do we pair with that? Well, we need something equally as smooth, if not smoother. Something that complements without taking the limelight away from the cigar. Something that works in perfect harmony. And this is what I got. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Glenfiddich single malt whiskey. Now, with me, when I'm doing my sipping and my smoking, single malt whiskey is a perfect complement. And Glenfiddich is just that. It's a great single malt whiskey. It doesn't not pretentious. It's not jumping in front. It's working in harmony at all times. So let's give it a shot. Great smoke, fantastic ash, spicy notes. This is to you, your family. Much continued success to you. Mhm. Yeah, that is a perfect match there. Single malt whiskey with a full strength. AJ Fernandez cigar. You can't go wrong. And with that, if you've been a subscriber of mine for a while, you know that I have started a scoring system in 5 categories. In each category, the most points you can get is 10 points. The categories are as follows: appearance, flavor, availability, value, and enjoyment. You can get 10, perfect 10 in each to make it 50 points all together. So appearance, I scored it a 9. It's a great looking cigar. Not a lot of veining in it. Very smooth, well constructed. Really enjoyed that. Cigar band, which I gave it some credit for. It was a really great looking cigar band. Flavor, I gave it a 9. Thoroughly enjoyed it. Very flavorful. Not attacking my senses, but caressing my nose. Great mouthfeel. Overall, great cigar. Availability, I gave it a 9 because it's pretty much available everywhere. The major online stores. I believe Mike Cigars has it. I'm not sure. I have to double check that. I know Cigar International has it, and I know Thompson Cigar has it as well, and probably a few other ones. Value, I gave it a 9. I gave it a 9 because it is a great value. Because here's why I say that. Generally, cigars come in a pack of 20. This comes in a box of 24, which you get 4 extra cigars. And that's a good that's a bang for your buck. So that's why I gave it a 9. Enjoyment, I gave it a 10. I couldn't find anything wrong with it. It was a great smoke, great ash, tasted fantastic. The notes changed gradually, kind of like floating on a river. They were just in harmony. Great cigar, fantastic. So in all, out of 50 points for perfect, this one got 46, which is not bad at all. Not bad at all. It's a good cigar. You won't be disappointed if you buy one or a couple. Keep them in your humidor. I wouldn't share them with friends, but that's just me. So with that, we get 46 points, and I'm going to sign off right now. I'm going to thank you guys, you subscribers. Thank you for coming back. New people, welcome. Always glad to have you. Please leave any comments in the comment section below. If you got something else you want me to review, a different type of cigar, or you would pair another whiskey or another drink with it, I'd love to hear what you have to say. It takes me a while to answer sometimes because I don't get the notices right away. Not sure why, but I will answer all. And with that, I'm going to ask the new people to do two little things for me. 1, subscribe and karate chop that subscription button. 2, kung fu the notification bell so you'll be alerted the next time I do a video. That's not a lot to ask, is it? No. We're friends. And with that, I'm going to say, this is Billy All-Star saying, as usual, if you cannot be nice, for the sake of everyone around you and everyone within earshot, please be cool. And I will see you on the next video.